I eat this food day and night, and I'm losing weight fast. I've lost 4 kilograms in just 1 week, and my belly fat is melting away. Want to know my secret? It's all about the power of vegetable pancakes. Packed with nutrients, low in calories, and incredibly satisfying, these pancakes are not only delicious, but help you shed those extra pounds without feeling hungry. Let's jump straight into the recipe that's changing my body and could change yours too. Recipe for fat-melting vegetable pancakes. Ingredients: 2 cups shredded cabbage, 1 large carrot grated, 3 green onions chopped, 1/4 cup all-purpose flour, 2 eggs, salt and pepper to taste, a pinch of paprika or chili flakes, optional, oil for frying. Instructions: in a large mixing bowl, combine the shredded cabbage, grated carrot and chopped green onions. Add the flour, eggs, salt, pepper and any spices you prefer. Paprika or chili flakes add a nice kick. Mix everything together until the vegetables are evenly coated with the flour and egg mixture. If the batter seems too thick, add a little water or vegetable broth for a smoother consistency. Heat a non-stick skillet over medium heat and add a small drizzle of oil. Scoop a portion of the batter into the skillet and flatten it gently into a pancake shape. Cook for 3 to 4 minutes on each side until golden brown and crispy. Repeat until all the batter is used, adding more oil as needed. Serve warm with a side of yogurt or a tangy dipping sauce of your choice. Now let's dive into why these vegetable pancakes are so effective for weight loss. How these pancakes help you lose weight. The secret to these pancakes isn't just that they're delicious, it's the carefully chosen ingredients that turn them into a powerful fat-burning meal. Let's break it down. If you are finding this video useful so far, you may subscribe. Cabbage low-calorie, high-fiber superfood. Cabbage is a superstar for weight loss. It's incredibly low in calories but high in fiber, which means you can eat a substantial amount without worrying about gaining weight. Fiber is essential because it keeps you feeling full longer, reducing the urge to snack or overeat throughout the day. Plus, cabbage is packed with vitamins C and K, which help boost your immune system and improve overall health. Carrots. A natural sweetness with a nutrient punch, carrots add a delightful sweetness to the pancakes while also providing essential nutrients like vitamin A, which supports healthy vision and immune function. They are low in calories and have a high water content, making them a perfect choice for weight loss. The natural sugars in carrots won't spike your blood sugar, meaning you'll avoid energy crashes that often lead to overeating. Green onions. A flavorful kick with health benefits. Green onions not only bring a burst of flavor, but also offer antioxidants that help your body fight inflammation. Adding them to the pancakes enhances the taste without adding extra calories, making it easier to stick to a healthy diet. Eggs, protein-packed for fat burning. Eggs are the perfect source of protein to help you build and maintain muscle while losing fat. They provide the right balance of amino acids, which are crucial for muscle repair and growth. Maintaining muscle mass is important during weight loss because it helps increase your metabolism, allowing you to burn more calories throughout the day. Spices, metabolism boosting flavor. If you decide to add a pinch of paprika or chili flakes, you're in for an extra fat-burning boost. These spices contain capsaicin, a compound known for its ability to increase metabolism and help the body burn fat faster. A little heat goes a long way in keeping your body in fat-burning mode. Why you should eat this every day. Unlike restrictive diets, these pancakes are both enjoyable and satisfying. You can eat them for breakfast, lunch, or dinner without feeling deprived. The fiber, protein, and vitamins in the vegetables and eggs keep you nourished and full, meaning you won't be reaching for unhealthy snacks. Consistency is key when it comes to weight loss, and having a go-to recipe like this ensures you always have a healthy option on hand. The best part? You can customize the pancakes to your taste. Add herbs like parsley or cilantro for extra flavor, or experiment with other vegetables like zucchini or bell peppers for variety. The results speak for themselves. Incorporating these vegetable pancakes into your daily routine can lead to real, noticeable results. For me, eating this meal day and night helped me lose 4 kilograms in just 1 week. My belly fat started to melt away and I felt lighter and more energetic. The fiber kept me full, while the protein ensured I was burning fat, not muscle. If you're ready to jumpstart your weight loss journey, give this recipe a try. With a little bit of time, you'll be on your way to a slimmer, healthier you. Trust me, these pancakes are your new best friend in the kitchen.